ino olita omwiruwo President waife wa Uganda General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ng'ali ni maama waife Maama Janet Museveni. Tukwebazizza eno Musenga waife olunaku luno. Mwine bantu bakusoka era ni maama waife Maama Jofi yakusoka. Tukwebaza Musengwa olw'akatiikiro bakusoka Dr. Joseph Muvawala awalala n'ababeezi be omuli Dr. Lweda Muhammad omuli Oweekitiibwa Basuma. Tukwebaza olw'abaana baife abafuzi ab'ensigalwa n'okusoka nga baidye era nga bawerekeire naye waife abasinga wano bwe tuli mu State House. Tukwebaza olwa Ssaabalanga wa Busoga, tukwebaza Katonda waife olw'abalanga n'abambeera boona boona, tukwebaza olwa Sipiika wa Busoga, tukwebaza ba ministers abavuire mu Busoga lwaki abasinga ba Busoga. Tukwebaza kubanga otuleese mu bungi Daga kifika basenga tasiteire bwerere bwanamanigira abasoka baviireyo bakungaine okwesa omukolo guno ekitiisa eky'amaanyi nga twemereire ng'abasoka nga ni baaba waife abasinga atukulembeiremu twongera okusabira President wa Uganda General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ni maama waife Maama Janet Museveni bawa obuwangazi bafunvuwe bakulembere eggwanga lino ndaba balikulembere okuvainuma mu butebenkevu mu bulungi mu isanyu n'abantu nga tusagamba tulina okuwaayo President waife ni maama bawa obulamu obulungi bongere amagezi balungamye era tukutane mu mwaka ogw'okubona bwona ekiro kyo kibonekerenga mu mulimu President wa Uganda ni maama waife era mu ngeri endala naye kifika abasinga ni maama waife ni ne bantu bafunvuwe bawa obulamu bulungi bawe enkalu gya kibumba libakulembere oba ekyabasinga ba Busoga bwongere okusagamba ekitiibwa kyo kyongere okuboneka mu Busoga. Tulina okwebaza gavumenti eno ng'ekulembera President Museveni okuyisaawo enfuga ey'ennono ekungaanya abantu awalala ababulishikiriza aboogera olunnya olulala. Twebaza olw'ensonga eyo era tuli mu Musenga waife w'omwekendi nga tukulemberwa Kyabazira wa Busoga ni maama waife Obusoga bwita bwongera okukulaakulana. Tweyimbire wala ni President wa Uganda okukulaakulana Uganda eno. Uganda ekitiibwa kyo kiboneke era olwa Kyabazira buboneke mu Uganda muno. Tusabanga bikomerekereza isa ebyala byo omukolo guno. Omukisa wa Katonda gubagaane omukolo guno era tulina okwebaza President wa Uganda yatandisira okutugabula tulina engeri bingi byategekeire minasa waife tabasinga yonaganagalaliwo omukisa w'omukolo guno. Omukisa gwona abantu tulafira wano mu State House nga tukusagamba nga tukubona obungi bwa Katonda ekisa kyakatonda kyetolole ekitwaleetera tubikiriza kubanga bibyo mu linnya lya Yesu Kristo Omusenga waffe.
Your Excellency, allow me to introduce the rest of the groups, the rest of the guests.
introduce Haji Kamira. Member is a famous businessman. We've always saluted business people. He is also a businessman whom I can attest. I introduced you Mr. Ivan Kinya, Honorable Ivan Kinya, Minister of Finance, Minister of State for Finance in the Solar Kingdom member.
Remarks that are already in the family where I said, Oxina. Rata President. Nani kwebaza ikwenda okukola akaba olwaleero yamulisi byabasoka aye ng'ate abasoka bano balina memorandum babagenera okuwa amaze okitereeza bulungi gikuweereze ng'era eraga ensonga d'abasoka mulenzi yowakyabazinga bwabusoka aye mu ngano olwaleero umukoro wa kusaka ibasi na kwa sababu zote hizi wewe ndio ya kuendelea. Excellency the President, when the name we talk about Zoom, kwa nusu bolusinga. Sio pesa kwa Zoom. Kwa hiyo hapo ni Baba President ndipo kwebaza abantu balona ngabitamwe olwokuwerekera ku batakyabazinga niwo twesera ate Raja President omusomaniriza enka nino obuyinza okukwabulira abalangira era babangana tukwabulire abalangira obwekweri Baba Nena wanatuli kusoma mwenyewe hawa tukiwetaone labda alikuwa kwa mwenye mtalabele wange atenga chief wekono sebo ukono wekono sana yokona labda alikuwa kwa mwenye Emperor Oli Emperor Joseph Oli awaka wale Lata nikwenda kuangalia hata mmoja ya kusiki kwa kusiki hata yeye yako Lata nikwenda kuangalia jamaa wange ate ngana mmoja ya baba na mama yeye yako president omuye Lata nikwenda kuangalia mukanyanga okufanya era hata Bishop Leonpold Akulamu, wewe siwe okuwema. Lata ikweno kwa mlida ate mmontebe ya gabula okuva ebugabula y'ebyope kabawoya. Lata ikweno kwa mlida ate baba ngowe w'ekikulu retired Colonel Chris Mudola. Lata nikwenda kuangalia ate mmontebea wewe tembe baba zirawo ayo musanga oyo wa DP mwantirengana ne kakukiro wewe tembe ayo nafuna muntu wewe Lata wali wabambeta ndio kwa maiso mfano maiso president umuhubie bana muje kwa Lata ni sema watazinga Professor Dr. Luleka naye n'okulaga amuyirira mu ofiisi nga tukolera owekitiibwa ate nga omuntu osuubuzi no ali mafuta omwo owekitiibwa Osman Nuur okuva ekatero sangayo okuno lata nganga ali kujja wala ino abansasira ntairaka mwala mulungi oyo Your Excellency the President namutola masha esingiro ekaberebere ku muzikiti omukonya mukyala nemukyala muvola namara solone ate nakudi n'omwani RDC deputy owa Namisendo baba webatutuwa ofisi lati mufuna mukisabira kuba President wamwoto ndiro yakozena okukola emirimu babakyabuzene byantuma lata nakutandika omwana w'ekitiibwa Yudaya mukyala wange aye ate nakola mu ofiisi ya Kyagazinga eyamutabana ku Kyagazinga munda walufukamira owa protocol baliddawa natwala protocol security ate bamba yali muntu olutaya mu magye atandikira okulaga omulangira owekitiibwa Minikosa natwala era sports natandikira okulaga owekitiibwa Namutanga natwala era tourism nekakulu gyewali era abaine entalute ekakulu obaine okwebaza natandikira okulaga omwami nali mukagalo sebo oyo omwami natwala nidepute wa culture n'ebirabyo ebiri mu culture etali birungi n'ebirungi lata ndikwera okulaga owekitiibwa Beka Mugaino sebo owekitiibwa Beka Mugaino ni Minister wa Lands ate ni Acting Commissioner wa Lands Ministry of Lands lata ndikwera okulaga owekitiibwa Mukengo oyo natwala abavubuka baba omuvubuka era kuti alikola omulimu omulungi natandika n'okulaga atwala genda owekitiibwa Kafuko retired human resource okuva mu Uganda Investment Authority n'entongole ebiri natandika n'okulaga Attorney General wa Busoga owekitiibwa Kafuko Ntuuyo natandika n'okulaga owekitiibwa Balyeku Dr. Balyeku natwala bya health mu Busoga oli mukulu wa Balyeku gw'ennyendo natandika n'okulaga owekitiibwa Ntange oyo ni protocol officer wa Kingdom ate nga RDC efotopoto natandika n'okulaga owekitiibwa Kifwanga Michael oyo ni information minister ate nga n'okulaga permanent secretary wa Kyagazinga omwami Samenya nkimaliriza n'akulaga owekitiibwa Kirio ni minisita w'ebyenjala mwebale nnyo mwebale mweyo leero Busoga yonanyirwa baba mukwano gwo Dr. Michael Kyomya Bishop yawumula aliwo baba aliwo okola asobola okusengera baba Kajambo uno lata Reverend Patrick Wakula ni Mama Florence Bishop wa Central Busoga ni Mama aliwo lata ndikwenda okulaga Reverend Huntington Paulo ni Mama Dr. Margaret Subi ono ni Bishop omuyamba baba twasimaire batuweereza. Thank you and thank you very much. Lata ndikwenda okulaga Reverend Dr. Paul Samson Naiman Mukembo Bishop wa Busoga ni Mama wange okuva ewaife enambooma Katoliki ndikwenda okulaga Father Kalaka Anthony wa Diocese of Jinja Bishop asabikubaawo era ndikwenda okulaga Father Musana Anthony era okuva Idimba Nina chairman w'abasoga all the districts. Kunaangaliwa Haji Isa Matovu aliwo ndikwenda okulaga Sheikh Basoga oyo ni district card ow'Idinda, ndikwenda okulaga Sheikh Dr. Balonde Kasim oyo ni deputy district card ow'Idinda, ndikwenda okulaga Haji Nfuyo Yakubu oyo ni secretary wa finance Uganda Muslim Council Jinja. Abona abantu betambulira nabo wano olina basenior civil servants kwenda okwebaza ssebo kuba emirimu gy'otuwa ku gavumenti eno, weebale nno weebalire irala ng'era kubo nina Aguri David Kibenge minisita wakwenda okwandirira Mukisa David okubeera Mutumba awene ndikwenda okwandulira meeya ow'Idinda yaviira mukala emyufu ayalikole emirimu gyeffe bulungi babalukawanya Omwami Kasolo Okocha Rata ndikwenda okwandulira chairman w'Ekamuli Wembla Maxwell Rata ndikwenda okwandulira chairman ow'Ebuyende Omukosefu Nange Kana Michael Rata ndikwenda okwandulira Wakaze Simon okuva Ebuka naenda okwandulira ndikwenda okwandulira chairman w'Ebigiri ndikusooka Elijah Mulumba Davidson Rata bakwandulire omuntu asinga okukambula omusoga Mwami Dobla Ezra wakutambala nawo wene anfana omukisa kubeeraze n'okwandulira mwani maze Irene Mauma kwenye PPS wa first lady awokukomera Rata president olw'okustabilizing also after 6 years of traveling. That's the Nyama community Busoga is very stable. As a first and foremost for the vision to return the traditional leadership in this country. This has been critical in restoring and maintaining the identity of this country. We will limit ourselves mainly around that identity issue. And we want to thank you for your vision. Ndikwenda okukobera Baba Kyabazinga that Baba President culture evokes very serious emotions, and it is these emotions that we want to harness to fulfill your vision, to transform Busoga, but also to increase the people that are in the market. The money economy. We want to thank you for your vision. I want to be part of the Busoga. Wherever I go, our president demanded about. If it wasn't for your vision, I wouldn't be there. Second, we want to thank you, Your Excellency, for your generous financial, moral support, fatherly support towards His Royal Highness, the Kyabazinga of Busoga. I want to thank you for the welfare and the education that you have granted our Kyabazinga. I want to assure you that in a very short time, you will have a Kyabazinga who holds a PhD and is on that. Third, we want to thank you for your support for the initial setup of the activities of the kingdom, for your support for all our activities that you have financed. Fourth, I want to thank you, Your Excellency, for the vehicles that you bought for all the chiefs in Busoga. We want to thank you and thank you very much, President Umulukubiri. Abantu abatambula babakyayinasebo. Rata ndikwenda okwebaza ekyokutaano. Fifth, we want to thank you
finances you have given us in tourism. We want to thank you and to report to you that Kabulu Hills, the steps have been done, and we hope that you have time to come and launch that site. For leading this effort. We thank you for your time. Your Excellency, the Minister of Tourism has embarked on developing the source of the Nile. We know that this is a unique opportunity. Nobody else in the world has the source of the Nile. Thank you for the resources you are sending to the Soka. We would also like to thank you, Excellency, for the support you gave us while we led the Namugongo journey on both the Anglican and the Catholic side of close to 5 billion shillings. Thank you, and thank you very much. We also want to thank you, sir, Your Excellency, that during the wedding, we received the support that you sent through our friend Hajat Namiala. We received a lot of implements for the youth, and we think that is a very, very good one. I want to thank Hajat Namiala for the job well done. Number 7, Your Excellency, again, let me thank you for keeping your daughters and sons in the recent reshuffle. We are so grateful. Patrice says it, I want to complete it. And like for the economists say, more is always better than less. Baba tukwenda kwebaza tusimye kukina webaleno webalirikana. Last but not least, Your Excellency, tukwenda kwebaza hosting the Chama Zinga here and the internet. Your Excellency, I'm not going to have made my day. You have made. Even if I was asked to retire now, I will retire very happy now. Busoga has taken over the State House. We have danced, we have enjoyed. Thank you, and thank you very much. And lastly, Your Excellency, for finance, for being the #1 financer of the city. I want to give Your Excellency this was the biggest thing happened in Kosovo. It has united us, and I can tell you today, let me show you the table from Malino. When I was in President Yao, in my 10 years, I was a capital of Kosovo. I have been a capital of 10 districts. Now I am a capital of Italy. It has brought us all of Kosovo together, and we are now ready, Your Excellency, to serve you. We are so ready. We have all the institutions set up. We have the recap. And let me take this opportunity to inform you, sir, that our head of plan passed away a month ago, OHT Keith Mutebu, the former Prime Minister of Kosovo, and he was replaced by a very young man, OHT plans in Kosovo, and is a very important asset in this government for us to make the necessary transformations we want to make in Kosovo. Your Excellency, thank you very much. We are ready to mobilize Kosovo for development. Kindly, whenever you have time, we would like to be invited back so that we can discuss about Kosovo. I want to thank you and thank you very much. I have enjoyed my being part of you. Now I can even rest. If so, committed. May God bless you. Long live your Excellency President. Long live Mama Janet Museveni. And thank you for being my friend, Mama Janet Museveni. Thank you very much. Now, I am the only person.
Nokubona nti mulunga ya papa ni mama Entebbe ayenga tuliko ni papa Kyabazinga ni mama ile bantu We are ready to serve. Busoga, we are ready to serve Uganda nga tutuulira inyuma. Waliwo omutabani waife kwebeeta
tujya kuba enyimba zezo nawumula
Chief Royal Council, Abalangira n'Ababeda, Babalaife, Amadini, Abakiise, Civil Servants, abali wano bali obubikiro byaimu, abakulembeze ab'ebitundu eby'enjawulo, political leaders, bano muli ba LC chairpersons, RDCs, LC priests, n'abandi kamala. Bamu ku mwanya baife na buli muntu ekitiibwa kye olutologo observed. Abalamuzi baasebo ne banyabo. Omulimu ogundi solunaku olwaleero officially Rwanda amawaifeire bantu eri omukulembeze n'omukyala we ne gavumenti tutwaliza abalala. N'olw'ensonga eyo engeri y'ebintu bye byatubambula omwami kubibona kamwete abalamuseeku katono awundire muloge n'ebalungi.
Your Excellence, General Yoweri Museveni, Mama Waife Basedi, Honorable Janet Kasarani, n'abagenyi baife mu kitiibwa by'obwegenderemu, balamusa nnyo basebo ne bannyamu. Olw'emirimu egy'enjawulo gy'agira ono emirimu egy'enjawulo gye mwakola era mwawesa buli wedding ekitiibwa. Tutwala n'omusa guno okwebaza maama waffe Pasiteri olw'emirimu egy'enjawulo gy'akoledde eggwanga lyaffe. Ndeeta okutumbula ebyenjigiriza eby'abakyala, abaana n'ebindi kamaala. Tweyanzika nnyo. Zeena ngaine bantu bijja kwongeramu amaanyi nga nkola emirimu egy'enjawulo mu Busoga ne Uganda yonna ng'egy'abakyala, abavubuka n'egindi kamaala. Ng'amaliriza twongere okuba ekitole tusobole okukyusa Busoga mu buntungi. Mwebale nnyo, mwebale irala era kibunda
Your Excellency, ab'omukisa guno mu byobuwangwa tukwanjulira famire ibiri okugira kusendala. Tulina famire ezaala era nsaba eremerere mwazayina olukusa okubeereza Mpaata Elizabeth era agenda akola mu State House. Ndi kwandulira bestman wange ate nga ezira wundi nga ni muto wange Prince Arnold Nadiope. Nakwandulira senga wange Lydia Muluki. Ndi kwandulira muganda wange Atukwase Ivan. Nakwandulira omulangira Bizaala Salome. Nakwandulira Bandule nga bakulemberwa Muzeeyi Mayole Stanley. Asooka ni Muzeeyi Mayole Stanley era nga Residence District Commissioner edimu mu districts edimu mu Eastern Uganda. Nakwandulira mukyala Bayole Rebecca. Nakwandulira Professor Wilson Mwanja. Yaba Mr. Mwanja Albert. Nakwandulira Senga ow'ensonga enkulu nga ni Florence Mwanja. Nakwandulira Kawuga Roy. Nakwandulira Mrs. Ophie Musara Namumbya era yali ku mubaka wa Parliament. Nakwandulira Mr. Galia Eric. Nakwandulira Mr. Mark Mwanja. Nakwandulira Mrs. Mwanga Mase yena tulinayo wano abula weka ndoyita wano. Omusawo okutegeeza mu butongole tulwaleero kiyenzenga okiteebuwa. Ndiye eri mukyala wange ng'amanyi ge ng'emutesi era tumwagala ne maama waife yene kitataaha mu butongole n'amagezi okusobozesa okuyita mu mikola egyali gy'enjawulo kuba gyali kamaala gyaba gyakunekereza ne Busoga Royal Wedding 2018 omwezi
Edith Oliver Monya, Nabogale Kuita, Omkruage, Omani, Kijampola, Sebogale Kuita, Your Excellency, Agnes Kalibala,
This congregation. Mama, we are very delighted to the Vice Council. Thank you.
Thank you, Dorothy. Your Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda, Your Royal Highness William Gabla, the Chairman of Soga, and your dear wife, Her Royal Highness Georgia Mutesi, the Inamantu, Cabinet Ministers who may be here this evening, the members of Parliament, the Prime Minister of Usoga and the entire leadership from the Kingdom of Usoga, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Cordelio. My very brief remarks by warmly welcoming all of you to your National House, State House in Tele, and allow me in a special way to welcome the Inabantu. I'm sure all of us here remember the royal wedding and the beautiful bride, so that children of praise, and the rest of Uganda cheered you on. I want to thank the Asoga people for such a beautiful title you gave to the wife of your king, Inabantu. I am not proud of such a title of all traditions and kingdoms and chiefdoms in Uganda. When I was watching that wedding, I heard of that title. I loved it so much, and it's truly fitting to your bride and your king. Those of us who were not present physically watched the ceremony on television with happiness and gratitude to God. In this age when the traditional family is under severe attack, we cannot help but thank God when we see two young people come together to start a family in a godly way. We therefore congratulate both of you. Happy. Thank you for giving us a day today to celebrate what God started in your lives not too long ago. We all know that the nation is as strong as its families, so please be assured of our prayers and all the support as you start out in this new journey. I want to salute the Inabantu. I love that word. I want to salute her for graciously embracing the role of serving as a patron of the namely group in the Soga region. The namely initiative is a community-based organization that my office and some movement young ladies, friends and colleagues of mine formed in 2015. It is focused on empowering women in a wholesome manner. The focus of namely is to equip women in their own homesteads, in health, in wealth creation, in hygiene, in nutrition, In parenting, in spiritual life and cultural norms, it is a true saying that when you equip women, you have equipped the nation. I am therefore very happy that Inabantu has embraced the call to be a champion and a patron for empowering the women in the Busoga region. I know that with her oversight as Inabantu, this work will continue to grow and cover all the 11 districts of Busoga and even thrive better than ever before. God gives us leadership is to serve His people. If you use your platform in Abantu to serve God's people, there is nothing He will withhold from you. As Jerry, the President, always says, when you do God's business, He takes care of your business. Times when we see the numerous needs of our people, which are there, it is possible to get overwhelmed. But my prayer is that you will identify just a few causes that you want to commit your time to, and please do not spread thin on the ground. Focus your energy on particular causes and see the impact you may have in your region. I have no doubt in my mind that Busoga will be blessed by your Inabantu. Beautiful lady who loves the Lord, and because of her relationship with the Lord, and because of her prayer life, she will be a blessing to your region. So try to stay true to who God created you to be, by using your talents to help those who God has put under your Inabantu. The secret to this is prayer. Put God at the center of your life. Seek His wisdom before you embark on anything, because I know that work, if you let it be driven by God Himself, I believe so much in my own work. It is always driven by my faith in God. I pray for my work, and I allow God to lead me. The wise King Solomon had this to say in Proverbs 16:30. First, commit your work to the Lord, and your plans will be established. I want to thank Gachagua Zinga for his leadership to the Busoga region. You can make a global forces against us as a continent. As a nation, it is the duty of every leader to unite our people, to mobilize and empower them socially and economically, so that we can all stand against the forces of evil now across the globe. In conclusion, let me reiterate my commitment and support to the Inabantu and to the God and to the entire Busoga region. This way, that our doors are open, our doors are open to you, and our prayers are with you in all we commit to do. It is now my singular honor and pleasure to invite the President to address you. Thank you so much.
All the MPs and all the guests who are here. When I was thinking, I thought I should start by thanking God for enabling me to work with 3 generations of the Douglas. In 1966, I was 21 years old, already very active, and connected and working with the group to which his grandfather belonged, Saudia Munadiope. This group, which included the ministers who were arrested by Obote in a cabinet meeting, were pushing some issues, one of them being building a national army. Because Obote was building a tribal army. And these people, William Radiope, Matthias Ngoli, Barak Kia, Dr. Umo Emmanuel, Grace Linyera, they were opposing that, wanting to build a national army, and who was supporting as a student, part of the student movement. Then was the issue of the East African Federation, which this group supported very much. Now, Obote had his own schemes, wanting to build a tribal army. He sabotaged the East African Federation. Then his messing of the Uganda issue. First of all, Onamfusi, Ben Chwanka had told the Mengo group that please, those things you can you cannot have 2 governments in one country. Oh, the Mengo group, and just after you obey, copy Chwanka. Then Obote Olinga, Unamfusilia General, you know what you call misleading Mengo to make the mistakes they made, and then planning against them. Now, this is that group of Nadiope, those were the nation to which we are now linked. I was directly working with Grace Linyera. So when they were arrested, actually we took over immediately, took over the opposition to Obote. Although Obote didn't know that he had a big problem growing, but we started from that time. So I worked with the group, which I didn't work with Nadiope directly, but I was working with Linyera, who was working with Nadiope. Then later on, after fighting and all that, his father, Wilson, came and joined us in the government here. And of course the grandmother used to come and see me, the grandmother, the mother of Wilson. There was also the sister Kanumba. The Yamura was so that is now second generation. Now this is third generation. You can see why you people, you should thank God for this old man. Whom God has kept around for all this time. And in spite of all the things we went through. So when I was thinking about it, I said, if I don't thank God, God may not think that this man is that. So it is amazing. See me. I now want to congratulate the Governor, His Highness, for getting a wife. As he's telling you, whenever he will come here, I will challenge him on that. That with us, the African people, once you grow, you get a wife. There's no question of saying there that I'm just saying, what are you doing? Because that is the part of the, when I'm going to call it Okonbeka. Okonbeka is one for Okuzimba, but they use it to mean all that. So not only building the physical structure of the home, but the wife, the wealth, this is all Okonbeka. I know the children. So I congratulate you, Your Highness, for getting a wife. And I thank you for bringing her, coming to present her, to introduce her to us. And I'm doing it myself because I always call him Mutalani. So he has brought the Mukamwana to the Wazade, and we are very happy with that. I welcome Minabantu for joining our son, Gaura. And coming when you are already a highly developed product, because she told me she's a financial analyst, an accountant, and I will mention how you will help us with those qualifications. But before that, when a child gets a wife, you don't just come to swinging arms. If you are going to attend a wedding and all that, you bring something in your head. So I will give them 100 cows. These cows are Ukrauchira. They have so many words, the vocabulary. When you give cows to escort your daughter who is getting married, they went to Shagara. Those are the Shagara. But in this case, I'm welcoming you, Kawana. So this is Okrawitira the bride. So, His Highness will tell me what type of cows he wants. If he wants another type, we shall give it to him. If he wants the Frisians, we shall give them. But now, there is the family of Minaban who she has brought near us, Mount Dennis and myself. Those ones, I do 20 cows. This is not right price, it is not what, but it is oxima. Now, in Amatu, you have to use your mathematical skills. Help me with this also. Kubanga, abangi, baga mukulire ekibalo kyange kyebasomesa. Kozesera ekibalo ekyayika some have, there are some few people who listen. Abangi tebashfaako. This is the poverty you are talking about. The song which I hear people talking about. In the manifesto of 1996, we recommended to you the 4 acres model to do to the whole country. And we said, please, because Soka has a problem of land fragmentation. Someday the land is already fragmented. So when I said that, in 1996, in the manifesto, following my work which I had done in Angola, from 1966, when I remember, you better listen carefully. When I remember, see a pass. You don't know what I'm going to do. From that time when we were with the Europeans, the one was close with us, we were very active with the people. And we distilled what can work and what cannot work. So when we came from the bush, I started with those people of Angola, of North Angola. And after careful analysis, I recommended to them the dairy sector. Amata, Ugafura, Ikamabuzi. And the federal corridor has totally changed. They have a lot of money now, because they listen. And they left to they diversified from the Angolan cows to the Frisians. That's how the production of milk is very high in Uganda now. In 1995, I had progressed in the cattle corridor. That's why now I analyze the other parts of the country. And that's when I did the countrywide tour of 1995, where put out that advice. Then in the manifesto of 1996, in the election of 1996, we put it in the manifesto. In writing, not talking, just talking. We recommended 1 acre for coffee. If the coffee can grow there. Second acre for fruits. Third acre for pasture for dairy cows in the shade. Fourth acre, food crop. Emanju, enkoko z'amagi. Emanju, embizi, abatali b'Isiraamu. Oba abanyankole tebali embizi naye nga tubazimazeewo. Then the ones in everybody, near everybody, and towards fish farming. If you do this, you will get huge amount of money in the fish. Either all of them or some of them. But there was also the institution of that. We also talked about, because these 7 are in the category of intensive agriculture. Okora wafunda, Loja Michelen. But there is another type of agriculture which is extensive agriculture. Okulima, especially a play yawakulimo, they don't even want if you are just a piece of land. Now that is where items like cotton fall, like avocado. You can get married, but if you do it on a big large scale, like tobacco in West Nile, like maize, Duma. Lumuri emutagenda kuyamba lumana yeetaaga abagazi okukola abagazi. Has been before the whole of Uganda since 1996 in writing. Then in 2018 I did a countrywide tour and I again repeated it. But people don't buy this one is talking, this one is talking, this one. So let me see how I know I need over. I was about before I talk about you. We shall come to now His Highness and as we were talking before we came here, we talked about this and he assured me that you can, and even more has repeated it, that you can use your structures to push that message. That would be very good. That would be very good. To help the Masola to get out of this problem. That is very rich. What is it about? You can have a lot of fish ponds. There is an area called Minani. Minani is the Chichimeni place. There are a lot of fruits there, some people there. They are grown mangoes. I don't know what happened to that time. I want to go and check what demonstration my people put there. I'm happy to see what you demonstrated here. the tolerance of diversity. Because I could hear those who are Money, but we were Money. I feel to know person. Now I tell you, I go, weekend. Fiona Lee, Kuala, Fiona Lee, Hotel Amian, Upewa Lano, Uchawa Lano. I hear you are with me about the palace that I built a good. So, I built a very good palace for you. I have not been there, but they have been telling me.